I'm Joel Eichmann, founder, CEO, and CTO of Green Elephant Biotech, a bioreactor company based in Germany. As cell therapy manufacturing scales, I see bioreactors falling short in the stage of small and medium batch sizes. We see a lot of automation and good bioreactors around large batches, but especially in the field of adherent cells, barely anyone is automating small and medium scales for adherent cell manufacturing. To support the shift towards better bioreactors and better automation and cell therapy, I think we need to build the machines around the biology. We've been working with stir tank bioreactors for 50, 60 years, coming from the brewery technology. I think we can't just force biology of advanced therapies into bioreactors that were designed for food processing. So we need to build the bioreactors around the biology. And that is actually what we're doing at Green Elephant. We're looking into the biology, looking what's the chemistry, the shear forces, the surfaces the cells actually need, and then design the mechanics around the surface. What we released today or at this show is our new bioreactor Archimedes. Archimedes is bringing best of both worlds, 2D cell culture for adherent cells, but automation and process control. So we had the cell screw technology, a cell culture vessel for adherent cells that works standalone, and we now turned it into a bioreactor with integrated sensor technologies where you can save media costs, save a lot of manual handling, and have process control in a closed system.